Hello guys, welcome back to template tutorials. And in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. Alright, so first of all, let's change the layout here to blank and then move on to the design tab. So from the slide size, we are going to customize it. So choose A4 here, or leave it the landscape and click on OK and then click on maximize. Alright, so the next thing again I would like us to do is to right click on the shape here and go to format background. So from a format background, under the field here, we have the solid field being selected. So just click on this color and click on the color right here. Alright, so with this color, go back there and click on more colors. So from there, we are going to change the color of this one. So possibly, you can easily use this one. I'm using this one also to control it around. Alright, so let's change it to this one. So we can easily move it around and get the color that we are looking for. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So this is the new color, you see it right here. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. Alright, so the next thing again I would like us to do is to go back to the insert tab. You are not going to insert another rectangle, not another. Just click on the rectangle here, just come and draw it this way. Alright, so let me align it at the center wall. Alright, so with that being said, so you see the field here, give it no field. So we now come to the line here. So the line, as the solid is selected, just come here and choose the width as 5. So you come to, you see the solid here, we change it to gradient here. You see to change to this color. So with this color, you simply have to come here and choose this color right here. Alright, so when you choose this color, you now come and take the first one here. Click here and then click on this one. Oops, not this one. I mean this one rather. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. Alright, so the next thing again I would like us to do is to go back to the insert tab and insert another rectangle right here, inside here. Alright, so I'm just aligning it at the center. Let's remove the outline. So the color here, we are changing it to white. Alright, so I'm just going to increase the size there a little and also close this one also in. So now let's align it at the center. Okay, so now inside here we are now going to start inserting some text boxes here. So the first text box I would like to insert is to go to the insert tab. I can find it here in the setup. Go to here, we can find the text box here. Just click on it. So click not inside here, just click outside here. So from here you can now bring it inside here, and then type in the text that I want to insert there. So the text will be certificate. So I'll select it all. So here I'll choose area rounded, and the size will be 40. So let's change the color. Oops, not this one, to this one. Alright, so now I'm going to make another copy here. And I'm changing the color here to black. And the size, I'll give it 20. So this one will be of appreciation. Alright, so with this, let's go back to the insert tab again and insert another shape. Let's take the rectangle shape again. Let's come and draw it this way. Remove the outline. And the shape field, choose this color right here. So I'll rotate it this way. Alright, so I'll leave it there. Now let's make another copy here. So to make a copy, you can see I'm easily making like to make a copy. I'm finding it easy to make a copy. So it's not because of anything, it's just because I'm pressing and holding the control key, and I'll use my left mouse button to click and drag to make a copy. Alright, instead of copy C, Control plus C to copy and Control plus V to paste. It makes our work you know, difficult, and also it slows our work. Alright, so here I'm going to type in this text. Oops, let me change it this way around. So it will be this certificate is proudly presented to. So I'll select it, come here, make it bold. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So let's take this one also and make a copy here. So we are changing this text here to name and surname. So select it all like this. So the font will be Edwardian script, and the size will go with 66. Make it bold, and the color, let's choose this color. Alright, so I'll take this one also and I'll make a copy here. So I'll format it, leave it calibrate. Alright, so the size I'm making is 18. So here that will be where the description has to be. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to randomly generate a text here. So I'll go with one paragraph with, let's say, it's like, okay, let me go with 3 lines. Select it all and align it to the center. Alright, so now in between the name and the surname, let's insert a straight line there. So the straight line will move from here to this side. Alright, so with the straight line, let's increase the size to okay, 2 is okay. I'll choose this color right here. Alright, so I'll make a copy here, and I'm changing this one to date. I'll select it. So the font, I'll change it to semi-bold. I'm making it 16. So I'll make a copy here, and this one will be the signature. Alright, so now let's go back to the insert tab. We are now going to insert another shape, another line. Alright, so let's increase it to 0.75. Okay, let's make it 0.5. And the color, choose black. So I'll make a copy here. Alright, so now I want us to insert a medal on top of this shape. So to do that, I have it in my device. Simply go to the insert tab, go to pictures and this device, because I have it in my device. If you are not having it in your device, simply have to go with work offline pictures. But I have it in my device, so I'll just double click on the medal this way to insert it. So I'll align it here I think this way is not bad. Alright, so as you can see, our certificate looks nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.